The depth filtration unit operation, which is part of the harvest operation, removes non-dissolved solids, such as cell wall material, from the process stream. In this case, the depth filtration utilized pod filters. Pod is a single-use filter format from Millipore Signa, in which every wetted surface is discarded after the run. Unlike its non-single-use counterpart, this equipment does not have a filter housing. Instead, each filter module includes a shell that contains the process. This simplifies and speeds assembly and disassembly of the filtration setup, in part by eliminating the need for a clean-in-place operation. It also eliminates the need for cleaning validation. The technicians have already drained as much liquid as possible from the unit. Now they are disconnecting the hoses at either end of the skid. They release the hydraulic pressure that seals the modules together. Now all that remains is to pull each module out and discard it. This system is designed to keep the modules at a workable height. The technicians pull each module out without extreme exertion. ABC is a zero-waste-to-landfill site, so the modules will eventually be used as fuel in the generation of energy.